Good morning, this is Teresa Dotson bringing you Fabulous Friday Fridge Finds Breakfast Edition. So I am starting with some Heart Smart pancakes, which is actually a Bisquick version of Bisquick. You can find the Heart Smart one, which is a little bit lower in saturated fat and sodium. So the basic recipe is 2 cups of the Bisquick, 1 1/4 cups of fat-free milk, and 1 egg. Now, some of the variations, which are actually on the box there, they give you some ideas of things that you can add in, are to add in, especially if you have a problem with dairy or lactose, you could certainly use a different type of milk, a plant-based milk, or if you can tolerate yogurt, which a lot of people that are lactose intolerant can tolerate yogurt, even dairy yogurt, because of the fact that through the process of making yogurt, you break down the lactose. So it's usually easily digestible, and we have those probiotics that we've heard so much about being good for your healthy gut. One thing to note, it's always important when you have a big container, like I wrote here, opened on 2/12. So you should use the open container of milk or yogurt within 7 days of opening it. So I'm 1 day over, so I'm going to use up this little bit of yogurt that I found in the refrigerator. And that's different. The sell-by date on the package means it's good till then unopened. So as soon as you open it, you need to use it up within a week. And then to that, some healthy mix-ins. I'm going to add some flax seeds. Again, you can see I note what day it's opened on there. It's always a good idea when you open a package to write the date that you open it on. And I do keep this in the freezer because it will extend the shelf life of it. And flax seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids that we've heard so much about. It adds a little bit of fiber, and the most important thing, this says milled. You'll either see milled or ground flax seeds. Make sure that you are grinding the flax seeds or buying them already ground, because when they are not ground, when they are whole, they pass through the body undigested, so they really give you no benefit at all. So look for either milled or ground. And one of my other favorite superfoods is blueberries. I found this container of blueberries that needs to have its life extended. So I'm going to add the blueberries. So between the blueberries, adding a fruit choice, the yogurt, adding that healthy active bacteria and a little bit of extra protein, the flax seeds giving it that little bit of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, and of course the egg. So 1 egg will also give some vitamin D, some healthy fats, and some extra protein to the pancake mix. Enjoy!